Zerto Platform Online Training. Introduction to Zerto, Overview and Key Features. Introduction to Zerto. Zerto is a leading disaster recovery and business continuity software solution designed to ensure data protection, minimize downtime, and provide seamless data migration across various IT environments, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid deployments. It is particularly popular in industries that require high availability, data integrity, and resilience against disruptions. Overview. Zerto was initially developed with a focus on VMware environments but has since expanded to support a wide range of platforms and technologies. It provides continuous data protection, CDP, and enables organizations to replicate workloads and applications in real time, ensuring that data is always up to date and recoverable in the event of a disaster. Key features. Continuous Data Protection, CDP. Zerto's CDP captures and replicates every change made to applications and data in real time, ensuring minimal data loss, measured in seconds, during recovery. Journal-based recovery. Zerto maintains a journal of all changes for a user-defined period, allowing organizations to rewind to any point in time within the journal, effectively reducing the recovery point objective, RPO, to mere seconds. Automated failover and failback. Zerto automates the failover process to a secondary site and can also automate the failback to the primary site once it is operational again, minimizing downtime and manual intervention. Cross-hypervisor replication. Zerto supports replication between different hypervisors, such as VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and others, providing flexibility in heterogeneous IT environments. Multi-cloud mobility. Zerto enables seamless migration and disaster recovery across multiple cloud platforms, including AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud, allowing businesses to leverage the cloud for DR. Non-disruptive testing. Zerto allows organizations to test their disaster recovery plans without impacting production environments, ensuring readiness without risk. Ransomware resilience. By providing continuous replication and point-in-time recovery, Zerto helps organizations recover quickly from ransomware attacks by reverting to a clean state before the attack occurred. Application-centric recovery. Zerto ensures that entire applications, including all associated VMs, are recovered together, maintaining data consistency across multi-tier applications. Management simplicity. Zerto offers a single, intuitive management interface that simplifies monitoring, orchestration, and reporting across all protected sites, reducing operational complexity. Scalability. Zerto is designed to scale from small environments to large, enterprise-grade deployments, providing a consistent level of protection regardless of the size of the infrastructure. Zerto's role in disaster recovery and business continuity. Zerto is a key player in disaster recovery, DR, and business continuity, BC, by providing advanced solutions that ensure the continuous availability of applications and data, even in the event of disasters. Here's how Zerto plays a critical role in these areas. 1. Continuous data protection, CDP. Near real-time replication. Zerto provides continuous data protection through near real-time replication, allowing organizations to capture every change made to their data and applications. This ensures that in the event of a disaster, the recovery point objective, RPO, is minimized, often to mere seconds. Journal-based recovery. Zerto's journal-based technology allows users to rewind and recover data to any point in time within the retention period, offering a significant advantage over traditional backup solutions. 2. Automated failover and failback. Non-disruptive testing. Zerto enables organizations to conduct failover tests without disrupting production environments. This helps in ensuring that the DR plan is functional and that recovery time objectives, RTOs, can be met. One-click failover failback. In the event of a disaster, Zerto's automated orchestration allows for quick failover to a secondary site with minimal manual intervention. Once the primary site is restored, Zerto also automates the failback process. 3. Hybrid and multi-cloud support. Cross-platform replication. Zerto supports replication between different environments, including on-premises data centers, private clouds, and public clouds like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This flexibility allows businesses to implement DR strategies that fit their specific needs and resources. Cloud mobility. Zerto allows seamless migration between clouds, which is crucial for maintaining business continuity during cloud adoption or migration strategies. 4. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory compliance. Zerto's DR solution helps businesses meet regulatory requirements by ensuring data is consistently available and recoverable. The ability to prove compliance with reports generated by Zerto's tools is invaluable during audits. Detailed reporting and analytics. Zerto provides detailed analytics and reporting on the health of DR operations, helping organizations identify potential issues and optimize their BC strategies. 5. Scalability and flexibility. Scalable architecture. Zerto's architecture is highly scalable, allowing organizations of various sizes to protect a few or thousands of virtual machines without significant changes to their infrastructure. Flexible recovery options. Zerto offers multiple recovery options, including file-level recovery, application-level recovery, and full-site recovery, giving organizations the flexibility to choose the most appropriate recovery method depending on the nature of the disruption. 6. Simplified management. Centralized management. Zerto's management interface centralizes the control of all DR and BC operations, simplifying the management process. This centralization also reduces the complexity typically associated with multi-site and multi-cloud DR environments. Integration with existing tools. Zerto integrates with existing IT management tools such as VMware vCenter and Microsoft SCVMM, further simplifying the management and deployment of DR solutions. Zerto's architecture. How it works. Zerto is a disaster recovery and business continuity solution that provides enterprise-class disaster recovery, data protection, and workload mobility for virtualized environments, hybrid clouds, and public clouds. Its architecture is designed to deliver continuous data protection, allowing near-instant recovery of applications, data, and entire sites. Key components of Zerto's architecture. Zerto Virtual Manager, ZVM. The ZVM is the central management component of Zerto. It is installed on a Windows server within the virtual environment, example VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V. The ZVM interacts with the Hypervisor Management Interface, vCenter for VMware or SCVMM for Hyper-V, to monitor the environment and manage the replication process. It orchestrates the failover, failback, and recovery processes and provides the user interface for managing and monitoring the disaster recovery operations. Virtual Replication Appliance, VRA. The VRA is a lightweight virtual machine installed on each host within the virtual environment that needs protection. It is responsible for replicating data from the protected virtual machines to the target site. The VRA captures every write operation from the virtual machines and replicates it in real time to the target site. The VRA operates at the hypervisor level, ensuring that the replication process is agentless and doesn't impact the performance of the virtual machines. Zerto Cloud Appliance, ZCA. The ZCA is a specialized instance of ZVM and VRA combined, used when replicating to or from a cloud environment, public or hybrid clouds. It provides integration with cloud environments and manages the replication between on-premises and cloud or between cloud environments. Journal file. Zerto uses a journal-based approach for replication, where the journal file captures all changes made to the protected virtual machines. The journal file allows for point-in-time recovery, enabling the restoration of virtual machines to a specific point before a disaster or data corruption event occurred. Typically, the journal retains data for a configurable period, such as hours or days, allowing flexibility in recovery options. Zerto Virtual Manager, ZVM, GUI and APIs. Zerto provides a user-friendly GUI for managing disaster recovery operations. The GUI is accessible via a web browser and provides detailed dashboards, reporting, and configuration tools. Zerto also offers REST APIs, enabling integration with third-party tools and automation of disaster recovery processes. How Zerto works. Initial setup and replication. Once the ZVM is installed and the VRAs are deployed on each host, Zerto begins the initial synchronization process. The VRA on the source host reads the data from the protected virtual machines and transfers it to the VRA on the target site, creating an initial copy of the virtual machines at the target. Continuous data protection. After the initial synchronization, the VRA continuously captures every write operation from the protected virtual machines and replicates it to the target site in near real time. Benefits of using Zerto for data protection. Using Zerto for data protection offers several key benefits. Continuous data protection. CDP Zerto provides near real-time data protection with its continuous data protection (CDP) technology. This minimizes data loss to seconds, ensuring that critical data is always up to date. Simplified disaster recovery. Zerto automates the entire disaster recovery process, from replication to failover and failback. This reduces the complexity of disaster recovery, DR, planning and execution, ensuring quick and efficient recovery. Application consistency. Zerto's replication technology ensures application consistent protection, meaning that all associated data for a particular application is recovered to the same point in time, avoiding data corruption and ensuring application integrity. Cross-platform flexibility. Zerto supports a wide range of platforms, including VMware, Hyper-V, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This allows for flexible data protection and disaster recovery strategies across different environments. Granular recovery. Zerto enables granular recovery, allowing users to recover individual files, VMs, or entire applications. This flexibility helps minimize downtime and data loss in specific recovery scenarios. Scalability. Zerto's architecture is designed to scale easily, allowing organizations to protect thousands of VMs across multiple sites without significant performance impact. Automated failover testing. Zerto allows for non-disruptive failover testing, enabling organizations to regularly test their DR plans without affecting production environments, ensuring readiness for actual disaster scenarios. Multi-site and multi-cloud protection. Zerto supports multi-site and multi-cloud deployments, providing robust protection across various geographical locations and cloud environments, making it ideal for businesses with distributed IT infrastructures. Compliance and reporting. Zerto provides detailed reporting and analytics that help organizations meet compliance requirements by tracking recovery point objectives, RPOs, and recovery time objectives, RTOs. Cost-effective. Zerto reduces the need for dedicated DR infrastructure by leveraging existing resources, making it a cost-effective solution for enterprise-grade data protection. Deploying Zerto in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Deploying Zerto in hybrid and multi-cloud environments can provide robust disaster recovery, DR, and data protection capabilities across diverse infrastructures. Here's an overview of how to approach such a deployment. 1. Understanding Zerto's capabilities. Disaster recovery. Zerto offers continuous data protection, CDP, with near-zero RPO, recovery point objective, and RTO, recovery time objective. Workload mobility. Zerto enables seamless workload migration between on-premises, public cloud, and multi-cloud environments. Backup. Long-term retention with flexible retention policies across hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructures. 2. Architecting hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. Hybrid cloud deployment. On-premises to cloud, Zerto can replicate and protect workloads from your on-premises data centers to public cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Cloud to on-premises. You can also protect and migrate cloud workloads back to your on-premises infrastructure. Multi-cloud deployment. Cross-cloud protection. Zerto supports replication and recovery between different cloud providers, example AWS to Azure. Multi-cloud DR strategy. You can create a resilient multi-cloud DR strategy by replicating critical applications and data across multiple cloud providers. 3. Key components and architecture. Zerto Virtual Manager, ZVM. This is deployed in your primary environment, on-premises or cloud, and is responsible for managing the replication and orchestration of DR processes. Virtual Replication Appliances, VRAs. These are deployed on each hypervisor host to handle replication at the hypervisor level. Zerto Cloud Appliance, ZCA. For public cloud environments, ZCA manages the communication between on-premises ZVM and cloud storage. 4. Deployment steps. Initial setup. Install ZVM. Set up ZVM on your primary site, ensuring connectivity with your hypervisors and VRAs. Deploy VRAs. Install VRAs on each hypervisor host within your on-premises or cloud environments. Cloud integration. If deploying in a cloud, set up the ZCA in the target cloud environment. Configure protection groups. Define virtual protection groups, VPGs, to logically group virtual machines, VMs, that need to be protected together. Set RPO and RTO policies based on business needs and regulatory requirements. Replication setup. Choose the target site, on-premises, public cloud, or another cloud for replication. Configure bandwidth throttling, encryption, and other replication settings. Testing and failover. Regularly perform failover tests to ensure that the DR strategy works as planned. Use Zerto Analytics for monitoring and optimizing replication performance. Zerto's Continuous Data Protection, CDP, explained. Zerto's Continuous Data Protection, CDP, is a powerful technology designed to provide near-instantaneous recovery of data, applications, and entire IT environments. It is a key feature within Zerto's disaster recovery and backup solutions, allowing organizations to minimize data loss and downtime in case of an unexpected event, such as hardware failure, cyber attacks, or natural disasters. Key concepts and features of Zerto's CDP. Continuous data replication. Zerto's CDP continuously replicates data from the production environment to a secondary site without requiring snapshots or scheduled backups. This ensures that the replicated data is always up to date, with a near-zero recovery point objective, RPO. The replication occurs at the hypervisor level, allowing for seamless and non-intrusive data protection across various workloads and environments. Journal-based recovery. One of the standout features of Zerto's CDP is its journal-based recovery mechanism. The journal is a log of every change made to the data within a configurable retention period, usually from a few hours to several days. This allows for point-in-time recovery, meaning that in the event of a data loss or corruption, you can roll back to a specific moment just seconds before the incident occurred. Application and multi-VM consistency. Zerto's CDP ensures consistency across applications and virtual machines, VMs, by grouping them together in what Zerto calls a Virtual Protection Group, VPG. This is crucial for complex applications that span multiple VMs, ensuring that all components of the application are recovered in a consistent state. Failover and failback capabilities. Zerto's CDP enables organizations to quickly failover to the secondary site in case of a disaster. This process is automated and can be initiated with minimal manual intervention. After the issue at the primary site is resolved, Zerto supports reverse replication, failback, allowing organizations to resume operations at the primary site without data loss. Non-disruptive testing. Zerto allows for non-disruptive testing of disaster recovery plans. You can test failover and failback procedures in an isolated environment without impacting production, ensuring that your disaster recovery plan is effective and up-to-date. Scalability and flexibility. Zerto's CDP is designed to be scalable, supporting a wide range of environments from small businesses to large enterprises. It is also flexible, supporting various infrastructures, including on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. Benefits of Zerto's CDP: minimize data loss. With near-zero RPOs, data loss is significantly reduced, protecting critical business information. Reduced downtime, quick recovery times, low recovery time objectives, or RTOs, ensure that businesses can resume operations rapidly after a disruption. Simplified management. Zerto's centralized management console provides a unified view of your protected environments, simplifying the management and monitoring of disaster recovery processes. Cost efficiency. By eliminating the need for traditional backup solutions and reducing the resources needed for disaster recovery, Zerto's CDP can be more cost-effective compared to other solutions. Security and compliance features in Zerto. Zerto is a disaster recovery and data protection platform that offers robust security and compliance features to ensure data integrity, privacy, and regulatory adherence. Here's an overview of these features. 1. Encryption. Data encryption. Zerto provides encryption both at rest and in transit, using industry-standard protocols like AES-256, ensuring that data remains secure from unauthorized access. SSL/TLS. Communication between components within the Zerto environment is secured using SSL/TLS, which safeguards data during transmission. 2. Compliance. Regulatory compliance. Zerto supports compliance with a wide range of regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX by providing features like detailed audit logs, role-based access control, and data encryption. Audit trails. Zerto maintains detailed logs of all activities within the platform, enabling organizations to track actions for auditing purposes, which is crucial for compliance reporting. 3. Access control. Role-based access control. RBAC. Zerto implements RBAC to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to specific functions and data. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and helps in maintaining a secure environment. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. To further secure access, Zerto supports MFA, adding an additional layer of security beyond just passwords. 4. Data protection. Immutable backups. Zerto ensures that backups cannot be tampered with by leveraging immutability features, protecting data from ransomware attacks and ensuring data integrity. Journal-based recovery. Zerto's journal-based recovery allows for point-in-time recovery, which is vital for restoring data to a specific state before a breach or corruption occurred. 5. Secure data mobility. Cross-cloud security. Zerto supports secure data migration and disaster recovery across different cloud environments, ensuring that security policies are consistently applied regardless of the platform. Secure APIs. Zerto's APIs are secured, allowing for safe integration with other platforms and tools without exposing sensitive data. 6. Disaster recovery compliance. Non-disruptive testing. Zerto allows for non-disruptive disaster recovery testing, ensuring compliance with disaster recovery policies without affecting production environments. Compliance reporting. Zerto can generate detailed compliance reports that document the effectiveness of disaster recovery plans, which is essential for audits and regulatory checks. 7. Ransomware resilience. Continuous data protection. CDP Zerto's CDP helps in mitigating the impact of ransomware by enabling rapid recovery to a point in time before the attack. Isolation of recovery environments. During recovery, Zerto can isolate the recovery environment to prevent the spread of ransomware, ensuring a clean restoration of services. Why choose ProExcellency for Zerto Platform Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Zerto Platform Online Training offers several advantages that make it an attractive option. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of the Zerto platform, ensuring that you receive high-quality, industry-relevant training. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers all essential aspects of the Zerto platform, including disaster recovery, data protection, and workload mobility, providing you with a thorough understanding of the platform. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency often emphasizes practical, hands-on learning, allowing you to apply concepts in real-world scenarios, which is crucial for mastering the Zerto platform. Flexible learning options. They usually offer flexible schedules and online learning options, making it easier for professionals to fit training into their busy lives. Certification preparation. The training often prepares you for Zerto certifications, enhancing your credentials and making you more competitive in the job market. Post-training support. ProExcellency may provide ongoing support and resources even after the training is completed, helping you to continue learning and applying your skills. Positive reviews and reputation. ProExcellency is known for its quality training programs, with positive feedback from previous participants, which can give you confidence in the value of the training. Thank you.